Now, as you can see, guys, I just listed these three products right now. This is a new account, and in this video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can start Etsy dropshipping from AliExpress, and I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step. Now, I have been doing dropshipping for 3 years, so I have a lot of experience with dropshipping because it's been like a long time since I started this business. And yeah, it's the best. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the best alternative to AliExpress, because most people, they think that AliExpress is like the best, but there are a lot of good alternatives to AliExpress. So I'm just going to tell you guys exactly how you can start dropshipping on AliExpress if that's what you want. And what I like about AliExpress is the profit margin, because you can make a lot of money compared to other e-commerce websites. Okay, now also what I like about AliExpress is you can find like some handmade products. If you don't know that, you can't sell products that are not handmade on Etsy. You can only sell products that are handmade. So you want to search for AliExpress, guys, and what you need, guys, first is you want to search for products that look like they are handmade. Now that's exactly what a lot of new sellers do on Etsy. They don't know, they just, for example, go to AliExpress and they can find, like, they find any item here, and then they start listing that exact item. For example, they can list, for example, this one, for example. As you can see, this is not handmade, and you can't make this at home. Like, there is no way someone can make this at home. Like, there is no way someone can make this at home. So you don't have to list this, because Etsy is special. It's not like other e-commerce websites like eBay. On eBay, of course, you can do this. That's what I do, guys. Most of the time, I just dropship any item I can find on AliExpress. I start dropshipping that exact item on eBay. But on Etsy, it's different, because when you search, for example, on Etsy, as you can see, it says here, Etsy shop for handmade. That means you can only sell handmade products. Now, what you need, guys, now is you want to search for what other sellers are selling on Etsy. Okay, so for example, I'm going to search, for example, on bags. Okay, for example, bags, they look like handmade. You want to search on bags from Etsy, not AliExpress. Okay, and as you can see, you can find bags here. Okay, so that means you can sell that exact item. Just search for it on AliExpress. Go to AliExpress and search for it. A lot of people, by the way, like 25,000 people on Etsy, they are using AliExpress to dropship. Like 25,000. Okay, that's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. Like, now what you need, guys, you want to find a product here. So for example, I would list something like this, because it looks like it's handmade. Okay, it's also expensive. It's like $200. I would just convert this to, I was going to change the country to United States. As you can see, it's almost 200, yeah, almost 300. And as you can see, a lot of people are going to be interested in this, okay? Because a lot of people that go to Etsy, they want special things, they want things that are, like expensive. But I wouldn't suggest listing anything that is expensive that much. So like like you only have to list like products that are like $100 maximum, I would say. Now I'll just go with I'm going to search, for example, for bags. Okay, I'm going to search for bags. I would list something that looks like handmade. So search for example, I would go with okay, I'm going to search for something that yeah, this one is really good. As you can see, this one looks like it's handmade. Also, the pictures are not that crazy professional, so what you need, guys, you want to download these pictures from AliExpress. And also, instead of copying the title from AliExpress seller, you have to copy a title from Etsy seller, because that title is proven to work on Etsy. Okay, that, you know what I mean. So that proven, like, people are searching for that exact title on Etsy, so you have to copy that title and make it better so that you can get sales. Because if you just copy everything from AliExpress, then you don't know if people are searching for these keywords on Etsy. Okay, now what you need, guys, you want to download an extension. It's called AliSave. Download AliExpress images and videos. Now after you download, guys, this extension, this is not the extension that you want to download. This one doesn't work, so I tried it multiple times. Yeah, this one, you want to download AliSave, download AliExpress images and videos. You want to download it, and after you download this extension, then you will be able to download pictures. You want to click on main images, and you will find that images will start downloading here. You want to go to your Etsy shop. Now this is my new account, so you want to click on here your account and click on sale, and you have to create an account if you haven't done that already, because this is very important. You have to create a shop on Etsy before you can start selling. Okay, now after guys you click on that, you want to then enter your information. For example, after you enter here Hong Kong and here United States, because most products from AliExpress are from China. Here you want to choose United States dollar, save and continue. But the only mistakes you should you should avoid is listing products that are not handmade. Okay, only list products that are handmade, because Etsy doesn't care if you are dropshipping. They won't ban your account. Etsy cares about the products that you are going to sell. So you have to sell products that are handmade. Now after that, you want to then start uploading the pictures here, as you can see. And then you want to scroll down, and these things are very easy. Like for example, homemade, it I would say another company or person, because I'm not the owner of this product. What is it? A finished product. When was it made? I would say made to order. And then you can just enter the description and stuff like that, and enter the price and the quantity, and then you can start selling. And then click save and continue, and then here you will see here how you will get paid. You will have to enter here your information, credit card and stuff like that, and here set up billing and your shop security. You just want to click on save and continue, and then you will be able to complete all these tasks or whatever these. Okay, you will have to enter your credit card and stuff like that, and then you can start selling. Now after someone buys from you the product, then you have to go to AliExpress, and instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress will ship the product directly, or the supplier from AliExpress will ship the product directly to the customer, and you don't even have to have the products in stock. That's the main, that's exactly what is dropshipping. Now a lot of people are doing dropshipping from AliExpress, but the best alternative guys is CG dropshipping, because you don't even have to ship the products manually. Like CG will take care of everything. They will ship the product automatically to the customers, and you don't even have to to do anything. You just want to give the CG money, and then they will start shipping the products, which this will make sense. Just click the video in the screen, and I will be explaining in that video exactly how you can dropship without money, and you can start this business right now. Yeah, drop a like on this video and make sure you click the video in the screen. See you guys in the next video.